You started. You're not serious. No. You better come and sponsor my videos. Come and sponsor. See me advertising your products in America. Eh? Come and sponsor us. Okay, so it's another Friday. Second to the last Friday before school resumption. Eh? Don't mind me, I'm just cruising around. Anyways, so I have to upload a video tomorrow, guys. I know. And I have to. I will. I'm gonna deliver. But the truth is, I've been thinking, what am I going to give my viewers this week? And guess what, guys? I came up with an idea. So today, I'm going to be cooking with y'all. What do y'all think? How do y'all feel? Oh, peep my wig though. What do y'all think about my new look? I love it. I love it. I hope you do too. I hope you do too. So in the comment section, put it down there how you feel or what you think about my new look. Do you think I look good with the bangs or without the bangs? So today I'm going to be cooking with you guys. We'll be making some Nigerian delicacies. So I'm thinking maybe jollof rice with chicken or turkey. Yeah, I can make some egusi too today and then turn some poundo and stew. Okay, that makes sense. Since I'm in a good mood, I think I'm just going to do that. It's when I'm in a good mood that I cook most times, guys. And I'm always in a good, not always in a good mood, but most times I'm in a good mood. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment in the comment section, don't forget to rate my hair, and old subscribers, thank you. I love you all so very much. I can't do this without you. Like, you are my strength. Wakanda for life. I don't know what that was, but okay. So I'll see you guys in the kitchen. I said that, guys, I'm in a good mood. So I'm going to be a good chef today for you guys. I don't usually wear apron though. But today, let's, let's do it the Tush way. Let's behave like a Tush person. Yeah. Do you think I will have a career in chef, in being a chef? Rate it.
Guys, see your chef. Oh, see your chef. That will be it for today, guys. If you enjoyed watching me in the kitchen, watching me cooking, okay. Thanks for staying tuned and enjoying the video. Don't forget to like, comment. Don't forget my hair. I'm still expecting your comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm begging, enjoy. If you want to keep seeing this beautiful face, please subscribe to this channel. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.